In our last video, we checked out section element. Now we will see row element. There in here, you can directly select row, but if you deselect, select the preference in preference your global, it will convert an element. You can add it in anywhere in the process. So the thing is that from here, when we select a row, we have few options like how many row columns you want and what will be the ratio of the columns, like 2 columns, left side, right side, something like that. Let's start with 2 columns. So here it is, from the row we have like columns and columns, then the setup section, then the layout section, then size section and design section and particle section. Settings are pretty much same as sections. So font size, then tag, what kind of tags you want, then inner tags, what kind of inner tags you want to define it, like the inner tag of the row. Then alignment of the elements, then the overflow hidden or show z-index and background settings, then color, then like layout color. But when you unfortunately when you select the advanced, it comes after the layout, not before the layout. So background layers, let's deselect it. In here you can see row has some interesting process. So in here we can select what will be the layout of the row. Like we can also customize it from here, like percentage, like any kind of complex numbers like pixel with call and everything. Then gap width is basically between the gap of the column, and this is the gap for the heights if you go to mobile version. So if we go in the mobile version, then what we see is this is the height gap between the columns. Like we can control it at 40 pixel. Then direction, what kind of direction we want this use. We can use this like a reverse process for the column. If we want a right side image to be top of the content, left side content on mobile, we'll use this setting. Then horizontal process, like how you can flex control these things, like start and then vertical process. This is the basically flex controls, like center, baseline. Then this is very interesting. Like if you can see, like we have like 3 column layout, but we have about 4 columns, or let's say 5 columns. Like see, we have 5 columns. So if we select grow, then this column will take the space of the process. So these three control, like if we don't grow, then we can start, then make it center. See, the column will come center, then trace, center and baseline. So with these 3 controls, there are so many ways we can implement the design in Cornerstone. Then the size of the row, as we know, the size, this is global container. This size is being controlled from global settings, but we can also redefine it here as well. Like width, how much will the width of the row? Now it is full width. If sometimes what we have full width of a row in the design. So on that cases, we use this kind of this setting, but most of the case we use global container. Like design, same things, margin, padding, border radius, and box shadow. And this setting is very, very interesting. Like we will see these settings, especially in a different video. So because with this video, we can use a lot of presentation with the column and the row. And last time particles, same here, particles video is coming. We'll see this in our different video. Thank you.